Boys, today we brought 10 guys, all of them wearing designer outfits. Here's the trick though. One of them is lying. One of them is wearing a cheap Walmart outfit. Now here's the trick. I believe most people can't tell what brands you're wearing. If it fits good, it's gonna look good. They're not gonna be able to tell. Now, if they are successful and are able to single out the guy wearing the cheap outfit, out of my own pocket, I'm gonna pay him $1,000 cash prize. Let's get started.
Hi guys, my name is Amar. I'm an accountant. I work with one of the big firms. I wear a Brunello. This is $2,000, and for the bottom is $1,000.
I'm Dre. I'm in property management. We're in Montclair, $2,000. Saint Laurent, $500. John Elliott, $300.
My name is Casey. I'm wearing Air Force One, 100. Saint Laurent, 700. You already know Balenciaga, 500, and Prada Subtle Flex, 1,500.
Hi, my name is Zaplin Nguyen, and I am a celebrity stylist, and I have on Chrome Hearts today, which is $600, a vintage t-shirt, and Rick Owens cargo pants, which is $1,000.
Hey, what's up? I'm a film producer from LA. My name is Joshua Ferragamo. $1,000 for the top, $800 for the bottom. Louis Vuitton belt, $500. Something like.
Hey, what's going on? My name is Dorian. You already know I'm a music producer, whatnot. Little Balenciaga white tee, you know, nothing crazy. Go about like 800, you know. Got a little, like, nice little cargo jeans, Bujade, you know. It's a calm day, calm day.
Oh, hello, my name is Kofi Ado, and I'm a doctor, and I'm wearing a Salvatore Ferragamo sweater, which is $1,000. And I'm wearing Salvatore Ferragamo corduroy pants that are $700.
Hey, how's it going? My name is Brandon. I own a chain of restaurants here in New York City. And today I'm wearing Loro Piana. Each costs about $1,000 each. You know, it's the gift of kings.
Yo, my name is Elijah. I'm a music artist. And today I'm wearing Louis Vuitton, $3,000, Balenciaga, $1,000, and a Mary Jeans, $1,000. Don't believe me? Check the price tag.
My name is Holton, 26 years old. I'm a Marine Corps veteran. I'm also a real estate investor in this whole tri-state area. Currently, I'm wearing Tom Ford, so the shirt, $800, easy. Pants, $2,000, and the shoes, $850.
Psych, yo, did he fool you? He fooled me. I mean, the man looks good. That ain't Tom Ford. That is not Tom Ford. But my dude, he's my infiltrator, right? You're my test subject. We're gonna fool these guys.
Yeah.
Man, you don't need a lot of money to look. Do you see this? This cost about 30 bucks. We went to Walmart and we shot the entire fit. Now, yes, Walmart fit is not the best, right? You would agree? Kind of bad. But I blessed my man's life by taking him to my personal tailor and just, bro, you look like you're wearing Tom Ford. But we didn't end it up there. See, I didn't only want my man to look sharp, I wanted him to look smart. So we threw on our Jade Blacks. That's our new collection. That's Italian acetate. How good do those feel?
Feel amazing.
They look good. Here's the good thing with Jade Black. They're only 49 bucks. This entire fit is sub $100. Bro, you ready for this?
Absolutely.
This is my infiltrator right here. All right, man. Bro, first of all, y'all look sharp. Guys look good, all right?
Thank you.
I just want you guys to know there's about $30,000 on this floor right now. All right? Okay? Here's the interesting part. One of you is lying. See, there's 10 guys. Everybody said that they're wearing designer head to toe. One among you is lying. If you guys are able to single out that person, I'll give you $1,000 cash prize to split with each other. So let's get started. You guys have 30 seconds to eliminate 2 people off the bat without saying anything. 2 people have to go. That are wearing designer head to toe.
I'm gonna say him.
You think you know who it is?
I think I do. I think it's the one with like the simplest outfit, you know, the one who's tucked in with a shirt. He looks mad classy. I don't think he's designer outfit at all.
The guy, this shirt says Balenciaga.
I feel like they was just hating because I got that drip.
Who are your 2 selections? All right, you guys have been out. You're eliminated. Please go to the left.
Got kicked out already.
Yeah.
First round.
No offense to your man's next to you, it gotta be the man with the black hoodie. I'm sorry, like his stuff look like it at least cost $30 altogether. Like, come on, bro.
For me, I think the guy with the horizontal stripes. You know, that one with the... It kind
Oh,
of
that
looks like
guy?
H&M type vibes. You know?
Nah, he looked like one of my old college teachers. I'm not gonna lie to you.
All right, guys, so you've eliminated 2 guys that you believe are wearing designer, which very well could be fake. We have no idea. We'll know towards the end if you lost or not. Just go down the line and tell me what you're wearing and the cost of what you're wearing. Starting with you. That's it.
I'm wearing Salvatore Ferragamo, which this is like $700. This is $1,000, and my pants are $700. Salvatore Ferragamo as well.
Okay. You?
I'm wearing Loro,
And how much does it cost?
$1,000 each.
Where well, shirt, Balenciaga, bottom, Deja Dujave, $800 and $1,000 jeans.
Okay.
I'm wearing a Brunello. This is $2,000 sweat, and this is a jeans for $1,000. Brunello also.
I'm wearing Ferragamo, $1,000 for the shirt. Bottom, $1,000.
So I'm wearing Tom Ford, $1,000 for the shirt, $2,000 for the pants, and $850 for the shoes.
Okay.
Surprise.
Montclair, $2,000. Saint Laurent, $500. Pants, John Elliott, $300.
Chrome Hearts, $600. Vintage shirt, Rick Owens, $1,000.
You guys, now with this new information that all of you have 60 seconds to eliminate 2 more people that you believe are actually wearing designer. Go. You think they're wearing designer?
The name's
You got 60 seconds.
I think this guy right here.
I feel like he's wearing the real designer.
Mr. Chrome Heart right here.
Yeah, Tom Ford. That looks familiar.
Yo, there's no way that guy's wearing Tom Ford whatsoever. The style looks really, it looks way too simple. It looks like something I get from Target or Walmart. There's no way.
Who do you think it is?
Probably the Balenciaga guy. It could be fake, man. It could be something from Chinatown.
Imposter, Balenciaga.
Balenciaga, man, the Balenciaga guy sus. You're the second guy to say that.
Like it's a big shirt, and I don't trust the wording on it.
A lot of the design stuff could be made as canal street.
You got 5 seconds.
He's wearing it, and he's wearing it.
Single 2 guys out.
Yasu. Mr. Chrome Heart and Mr. Tom Ford.
Everybody agree or disagree?
Everyone agree?
I agree on that.
I think he's wearing real. This is real.
All right, time's up. 2 people step forward. All right, eliminated.
Sometimes the best get defeated. Sometimes they don't. Fortunately, I was defeated.
Do you know who the actual infiltrator is?
I think it's the guy that he's wearing like a brown wool jacket. Couldn't be a wool. Could be like rat feather or something.
You think he's capping, right?
I think he's capping.
That ain't $3 grand.
Nah, that ain't $3 grand. Probably like $100.
I think it was the guy that said he had on Salvatore Ferragamo with a red shirt. I think it was like some Walmart brand.
I'm 26 years old. I'm a doctor.
All right.
I'm 32 years old and I own a chain of restaurants here in New York City.
Okay.
I'm Dorian, 27, and I'm a music producer.
All right.
I'm 24 and accounting.
25, and I'm a film producer.
Go producer. Okay.
20, property management.
Okay. All right, you guys got 60 seconds with the new information to eliminate 2 more people that you believe are actually wearing designer. Go.
Actually wearing it.
This is actually wearing
He's
it.
I'm one person.
Hey, he definitely got design on.
Mr. Ferragamo.
I think I'm gonna go with them.
I don't know.
I'm gonna go with them too.
I'll probably say him.
I'm gonna go with them too.
I
All
got
right, you
these
think
2.
those 2 are wearing designer?
Yeah.
I think you-
So you could definitely come to me.
Him.
Wait, we
Yes,
definitely
yeah. And I think him. He's also wearing designer.
Hey, that was quick. 30 seconds. Gee.
You get them out.
You 2 look like liars. All right. Please step out. Yo, somebody called you Old Navy guy.
I know. I can't believe it. You know, sometimes they don't think simpler is better than expensive.
I believe
But
you.
I don't know.
I believe you. And
This is
clearly other people believe
$2,000,
it too.
but I can't believe it.
All right, so there's only 4 of you left, but the liar could still be among you. Okay? So I want you to double check, and we're going to eliminate 2 more people. But to do so, you have 60 seconds to check the quality of each person. If you think it might be fake, or the fabric's not there, that's who you're going to choose. Go.
And I think his is fake too.
No.
The quality is wrong, but this tag right here.
Check the time.
Check the tag.
All right, 60 seconds.
I'm going with them.
Neiman Market. It's not
60
me.
seconds, let's
It's not
go.
me. It's not me.
Tag, you check my tag.
Who is actually wearing designer? 60 seconds, let's go. These 2 are wearing designer. You're up. Alright guys, there could be a liar between you 2. You're the 2 last man standing. You think you guys got it right? One of you is lying. You already got all the information. But I'm not going to let you choose. I'm going to let those that have been eliminated choose who's the fake. Alright guys, so one of these guys could potentially be the liar, and if you guys choose right, easy grand, easy stack. Right? You got 30 seconds as a group. I'll give you 60 seconds. I'm gonna be nice. 60 60 seconds as a group to choose the fake.
Who's not a designer?
Who's not designer?
He's not.
He's not tripping.
You can't show tag, that's it.
All right, tag what we got.
No tags. You see material.
Yeah.
This guy got more votes on this guy. Step forward.
Y'all better win.
My man's actually wearing Brunello. This is an Italian brand. He has $3,000 on him right now.
I told you, it's not good.
My man's also wearing Brunello. $3,000 on him.
So who's the fake?
Who's the lie?
I feel.
This guy on your left, he's wearing Walmart.
I knew it.
I knew it.
I said that earlier. Remember, I said that earlier, man. I
I
did.
said Walmart. You said Walmart. Bro, I told you it's my first choice.
I told you from the beginning.
Man, these guys blew it, man. I freaking knew that you know
Bro, you
that
knew-
wasn't Tom Ford.
You knew from the gate.
From the beginning, I was literally, I was like, I don't know, man. This guy, he looks a little suspect, you know. And man,
That's it.
I knew it. I knew at the end.
I am really fed up right now because out of those two, I thought it was the one that looked like the pastor. But then when I saw the guy with the blue shirt, I was just like, yeah, I knew I seen my teacher's outfit somewhere. Like I was dead thinking when I first saw him that he got that from Walmart.
Yeah, they just mad. They hating because it fit me. And that's the problem with me. Like it fits and it shit. So like they a little hurt. So that's not my business.
So what did we learn? Oh, I forgot to put my face mask down. Did I just do that to plug essentials right at the end of the video because we have a launch coming March 20th? Yes, I did, but I did it for a good reason. See, this new hoodie, yo, I promoted on my Insta stories. I kid you not, I have never had that many positive messages. I was getting messages from everybody. This hoodie is dropping March 20th that comes with a built-in face mask. It's probably one of the dopest hoodies we've ever come up with. Drop shoulder, tri-blend fabric, fits incredible. That is not the point, right? That's not the point of the video, jeez. Well, I mean, essentials, that's not the point of the video. The point of the video is what did we learn? We learned that you don't need a lot of money nor brands to look good. Yo, our infiltrator, he won. Walmart beat out every other designer brand on that floor, and we had everything from Loro Piana to Brunello to freaking Balenciaga, over $20,000 worth of clothes, and it all means nothing. $30 that fits right from Walmart gets the job done.
It fits and it shit. So
Boys, I've said it once and I'll say it again. You don't need money to look good.